stay when all is left is my sorrow. Please pray when all you feel is you don't know. Please stay if you believe in tomorrow. Please say that you'll be there when I let go.
So, greetings. Let us explore today. I will tell you a little bit more about where we're exploring after between the middle or at the end of the video. Stay tuned. So this here is Canary Wharf, and we're gonna explore about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour today around Canary Wharf. It will take more than an hour to explore the whole place, so we're just gonna do a small portion, maybe down by the side there the waters are. Very exciting part of the city in terms of banks, high-rising, big buildings. So let's have a 20 minutes wander around. Let's go to my left. I think I've explored that side before, so I probably put the link to the next video in the description, so that you can watch that one. I can't remember which camera I was using, so I'm not sure if the quality is very good. Yeah, so yeah, this is like a one-way road. The one way coming this way and one way the other way. So maybe today we will explore this side, and another time we will explore the other side. It's almost 7 in the evening, the sun is still up. But people are enjoying themselves. Have a little change, you come around this side. Like this is where the big boys hang out. It's a public area, so according to my understanding, you can film in London in public areas. If it's in like a private part of the building, like inside the building, then you would not be able to film, because that is private. This public area here, according to my personal understanding, is you're able to film. It's a Friday evening, so it's gonna be a very busy evening. On Fridays it's very busy. There's a kind of bridge that you can go over to the other side, so start. To the other side, cross over. So, but I'm gonna continue going straight. To the other side. Let me continue going straight. There's not much going on the other side.
Not that it's easier for me. Look away. About your eyes. And you're like.
That's a nice little area there. Things are nice and busy there. Then there's like a, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a sitting area over there where you can just go and sit down. It looked to me like the city is busy, like this area is on water. As you can see, it's like stealth, so it's sitting on the water. So all these big buildings, look, and look, all these big buildings is actually sitting on water. That's my take on it. If I'm wrong, then someone please correct me in the description box. According to how I can see it, it looks like it's actually sitting on the water. So you can go that way to go back to where I'm coming from and go down, so, or you go the other side to go the other way, or you can take, this is up there, there's a train, so the transportation system is very efficient around these sides. Look at that building there. Jesus. Nice. I'm gonna have to cut out that bit. I've moved my ear with that part. I have to cut out that part. Yeah, I think I've come this side before. Over there, I was telling you, I'm closer to where people sit. I've come this side before.
Yeah. Yeah, no, they've gone.
So, let's see how far we is. We're about 7 minutes in. We're gonna take it up to about 10. Yeah, this place is very nice. People just sit over there and just cool out. It's literally sitting on the water. Definitely. It's Friday evening. Friday is always busy down these sides. I think I can probably make my way. There's a station over there, Canary Wharf station. So I'm going, that's for getting this thing underground. So I'm gonna go this way because I'm getting the bus. So I'll give you a 360 so you can see the buildings. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this one. I'm dizzy looking up. Serious. Yeah. So under there's like a plaza / shopping center. So if you want to go do your shopping, whatever, plaza under there, it's literally under the ground. But I'm going up. I'm gonna go up, cross over, because this side is the one way going left. So I'm gonna go up, cross over, and go on the other side that's going right. As I say, I'm changing the channel to exploring, so you might not see too much of me talking on the camera, but exploring different areas and different locations. I think I can cross over here and then cross through there and go to the other side. Good thing with the London town or here in England is when you cross in the pedestrian, the vehicle actually stop. I've been someplace and you have to beg the drivers to give you a chance to cross. So people kind of follow the rules and regulation. Well, not kind of. Yeah, people follow the rules and regulation. And it makes sense, that's what it's there for. It's a zebra crossing for pedestrian. So when you get there, pardon me, the pedestrian is priority on that. So I see the Canary Square. I believe you can cross through here. I think I've gone through there before. And don't get me wrong, it's big. There's a lot of stuff going on down there, what I'm going through here. Yeah, so this is the other side. This is the other side. No, this is the other way. So the way we're coming from is one way going left, and this is another way going back. Me, I'm gonna go across at the pedestrian. No, I can cross here because there's not much coming after this guy pass. Yeah. So please let me know. Tell me if you like these videos. And it says
Orchard Place.